Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet the lemon peel stitch. I use this stitch in a number of my patterns, including this hat pattern, the camellia hat. It's a really nice texture, but it's also really quite simple to make. I love it for all kinds of things. Like I said, I have several patterns that use this stitch, and it's just one of my favorites. It's really relaxing and simple, and I love to use it. For this tutorial, I'm just using a scrap ball of worsted weight yarn. This is Mighty Stitch worsted from We Crochet. I just had a scrap ball to use. And I have an H 5mm crochet hook. This is a Furl Streamline wood hook. I will link the pattern to this hat as well as the yarn and the hook in the description. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, for this stitch, you are going to want to chain a multiple of 2 plus 1 for your starting chain. So I'm just going to do 21 chains for this tutorial. All right, I've completed 21 chains. I'm going to flip my chain over and work into the back bump of my chains. I like to do that. And I'm going to start by working into the second chain from my hook. So I've got the chain that's attached to my hook. I'm going to work into that next bump. That is the second chain from my hook. And I'm going to do 1 single crochet in that stitch, into that chain. Next, I'm going to work a double crochet into the next chain. And then I'm going to continue that repeat all the way across. So 1 single crochet in the next chain, 1 double crochet in the next. 1 single crochet in the next, 1 double crochet in the next. And I'm going to work that all the way across for a total of 20 stitches. All right, I've completed my first row. I have 20 stitches. I start with a single crochet and I end with a double crochet. Now I'm ready to do my next row. So the key with the lemon peel stitch is that you're going to work your single crochet stitches into your double crochet stitch from the row before, and your double crochet will go into the single crochet stitches from the row before. So we're going to chain 1 and turn. We ended with a double crochet for row 1. We're going to start with a single crochet for row 2. So I'm going to do just like my first row. Now I'm working into stitches instead of chains. I'm going to start with 1 single crochet in the first stitch, which is a double crochet from the row below. And then I'm going to work 1 double crochet in the next, which is a single crochet. And that's what gives you that nice texture that you get with this stitch. So the next one is going to be a single crochet, and then the next a double crochet. And this is also great to know if you get off, if you lose count or just forget what you're doing, and you are working, you come up and you're working a double crochet into a double crochet, you know that you got off somewhere, because the single crochet is always going to go into a double crochet, and the double crochet is always going to go into a single crochet stitch for the stitch combo to be correct. So I'm just repeating that across: 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, all the way to the end of the row. All right, I've completed my second row. Now all you're going to do is a repeat of that row 2. So from here on out, you're just going to chain 1, turn your work, 1 single crochet in the first, 1 double crochet in the next, 1 single crochet in the next, 1 double crochet in the next, all the way across, and you're going to repeat row 2 for the entire time that you want to work this stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off a few more rows, and then I'll give you a few pointers and tips and talk to you about decreasing and stuff like that for this stitch. All right, I've done 2 more rows, and you can see the texture is already starting to form. It's really nice texture. Some key things about this is when you're working in the round, you would do it the exact same way. You would join your round and turn so that you're working in the opposite. And that's what gives it the nice texture. I don't really have an issue with a seam. If you can see here, you can barely tell that it's joined right here. So if that is a problem, I don't think that will be a problem for you. As far as seaming goes and working in the round, for decreases, you can do it a number of ways. The key or the tricky part is making sure your double crochet goes into a single crochet goes into a double. For the camellia hat, I do single crochet decreases. So I will chain 1. Let's start off the row. Single crochet in the first. This might be messing up my focus. Double crochet, single, and then a double. And then I would do a single crochet 2 together, or a single crochet decrease. So I'd insert my stitch into the hook, pull up a loop, insert into the next hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through all 3. And so now I have a double crochet in that next stitch. So I need to work a single crochet into the next stitch, and then a double into this single crochet, and then a single, and then a double, and say I need a decrease again. So I do a single crochet decrease, and now I have a double crochet again. So I'm single crochet and double. So however you do it, whether you do a double crochet decrease, single crochet decrease, or you try to do both, the key thing is you want to always have your single crochet stitches go into a double crochet stitch, and double crochet stitches need to go into a single crochet stitch, or you're not going to get the same type of texture that you see here. So that's the key with decreasing. Can be a little tricky to figure out and to write out as a pattern or whatever, but that's the main thing. You want to be able to make sure those stitches go into the right one. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment, and I hope you'll like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.